What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sana Amira and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hello, welcome. I am Sana. I do a lot of unboxing, try-ons, and sprinkle a few blog things here and there, and sprinkle a few beauty things here and there, and that's actually what we're going to be doing today, a little beauty unboxing. So if that's something that you are into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. So today I am going to do something that I'm really excited to do, which is an unboxing and try on for something super special. I love Supreme. I was super excited. They have literally collabed with anybody and everybody you could think of, from Louis Vuitton to Nike to Hanes to I think even like North Face. They have literally collabed with every single person on the planet. So when I found out that they were doing a collab with Pat McGrath, I was so excited because I actually have a couple of Pat McGrath pieces. I'll actually link the video that I did for her Opulus glosses and also her eyeliner, which I am obsessed with all of those items. So when I heard that they were doing a collab, I was so excited. Like, with their collab with Louis Vuitton, I own a piece of the Hugh Hefner slippers. Like, literally nobody bought those, but it was the only thing left of Supreme, so I was like, let me go ahead and get these. But they're really comfortable slippers. You just wouldn't know that they were Supreme unless you looked at the inside of the shoe. And also it comes in a holding case, and on the outside it says like Supreme and Louis Vuitton. I should show y'all. Let me just go ahead and show y'all what that looks like. I'll be right back. And I'm also wearing Supreme Hanes boxers. I'm really excited. So this is in excitement for what's to come. Let me go grab those slippers real quick.
1 hour later.
So I went and grabbed the Hugh, I think they're called the Hefner slippers, because they look like the cigar slippers, but they have like the Louis Vuitton logo on the side with the Supreme. And this is the case that it came with. So it says Louis Vuitton on the front, Supreme on the back. And then when you open it, it's red with the Louis Vuitton logo on the inside, which is really nice, super luxurious. But yeah, everything sold out in the Louis Vuitton Supreme collab, so these were the only things that was left. So I was like, let me go ahead and get these real quick. I honestly wish that these had hard bottoms, because these came out around the time that those Gucci slides were super popular, that had like the kangaroo fur on the inside, or whatever that fur was on the inside. So I thought those would be super cute to wear just like as everyday mules. But yeah, I just wear them inside the house because it has this like velvet bottom. But yeah. Okay, so the whole story with this, I didn't get it from the Pat McGrath, or no, it didn't even launch on Pat McGrath. That's what pissed me off the most, because not only do we have to compete with like the beauty gurus, but now we gotta compete with the fucking hype beasts, which pissed me off, because I was up at the butt crack of dawn. Not really. I was up at 9, because I think it launched, yeah, I was up at like 9:50 because they launched at 11. So I was up at 9:50, had my credit card ready, and I placed it in the cart, and it would not, like, I got to the checkout section, and as soon as I hit submit, it was like, oops, some of your items have disappeared from the cart because it sold out, blah, 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 blah. And then I tried it again, and then it wouldn't even let me go to the checkout section. Like, it just had the lipstick in the cart, and I was like so pissed. So of course I went to handy dandy Stockx to get it. I paid a hefty price for it, but it was worth it because I really want my mom is in here, so she's looking at me like I'm crazy. So yeah, I really wanted this lipstick. I really wanted to have this collab, so I sacrificed a couple of bucks. So let's dig into this box to see what I got. But you already know what I got, so let's just dig in and see what it looks like. Came in a big ass box for no reason. It better have hella packaging, like safety packaging. Nope, no safety packaging. Stockx always comes with a little thank you card and I guess a welcome card. This time it has the Travis Scott Jordans. Ta-da! Ta-da! I'm so excited. It's so cute. So it's called the Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance Lipstick in Rouge Lèvres. Rouge à Lèvres? I don't know. I don't speak French. Ebonics is my first language. But yes, this is what the box looks like. It's a little bit damaged, but that's okay. I'm so excited because I actually need a red lipstick. Like literally 2 weeks ago, I was playing with my MAC red lipstick by MAC, my MAC red lipstick by MAC, and I opened up the cap and my lipstick fell out on the ground. So I was like, what the heck? Like, ugh. So yeah, I definitely need this regular lipstick because I do have this Sephora lipstick, which is super bomb because it stays on your lips. Like you can eat, you can drink, and it just stays on your lips forever. But I also wanted a lipstick. And then I also have this Makeup Forever baby gloss type of thing. It makes your lips look really pretty. It's a really pretty color, but sometimes I want to be like not matte, but not super glossy because this Sephora one is matte and then this is glossy. So this is kind of like, I'm hoping that it's in between. Even though it's called Matte Trance Lipstick. But we will see how this goes on. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is how it looks on the inside. And it's verified authentic by Stockx. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It is so cool. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Look. Like, I don't even want to try it on, but I definitely am. I'm going to wear it because it is something that I want to use. But just look at this packaging. It's just so pretty. It has the gorgeous Supreme red with its letters on the tube, and then it has the iconic Pat McGrath lips on the bottom of the tube. So I went and grabbed a mirror so I can put this on correctly. I feel like you know who shall not be named. And I don't have anything on my lips. Like, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but my lips are chapped. It looks good. And it goes on smooth. And it's not super matte. I didn't think that it would be, so I'm happy that it's not. It does feel kind of moisturizing too, which is nice. But yeah, it looks good on. It's super pigmented. I knew I wouldn't be disappointed. I am so happy. I'll get a little closer so y'all can see. But not too close because I don't want y'all to see my lips like cracking. I am so happy I have this. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. And I'm gonna have it forever because it takes me I literally don't run out of lipstick. And I know, like, on the box it says 18 months, but I'm gonna have it for life. So I'm super excited. This was an awesome collab. I'm just so happy. So happy. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe. Do you guys own any Pat McGrath stuff? Do you guys own any Supreme stuff? If you do, let me know in the comments. Were you able to get your hands on the Supreme Pat McGrath collab? Were you able to get it through the actual Supreme website, or did you have to go get it resell like moi? Anyways, leave it in the comments. Follow me on all my social media at HonestMara, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!